To live monitor a campaign that's just gone out, you'll need to be in marketing activities, select your email campaign. In the view, select the control panel. And in that control panel, you'll see this little magnifying glass view results. Click on that. So this will give you a live view of what's happening in your email campaign. You'll see things like emails being sent, emails being delivered, opens, clicks, etc. The good thing about this particular report is you can refresh it over time. So as your campaign's going out, you can see what's happening live. So things you want to be looking for is email deliveries. If there's email delivery problems or bounce backs, they will appear in this particular list of results. And you can start to look at some of the reasons why these are bouncing by clicking for more detail. For example, here, if this was an email bounce back, it would give you details as to why. The next thing to look at is for any clicks or opens. If there's no opens at all, there could signal a problem with your deliverability, just like if you're getting too many bounce backs. The other thing to look for is any kind of clicks. After a while, you should see at least 1 or 2 clicks. If you don't see any, it's worth checking your email to see if there's any problems with the links that you've embedded in that particular email. And the last thing to look for, which will also appear in this report live, is unsubscribes. And if you see too many unsubscribes, this could show a problem with your segmentation, and that's worth checking that as well.